Mississippi, down in Memphis, Tennessee, winding through the Ozarks half a day. Spent the night in Tulsa, but hardly slept at all. A cup of coffee and I was on my way. Arizona's on my mind. I really miss her in the morning. Every day I wake to find sweet Arizona on my mind. Stopped in Amarillo long enough to stretch my legs, filled my truck and got back on the road. A friend in Albuquerque said, "Why don't you hang around?" I said, "Sorry, son, but I have got to go. Can I take a rain check on New Mexico?" Arizona's on my mind. I really miss her in the morning. Every day I wake to find sweet Arizona